lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Special shout out to Vactidy for sponsoring this segment of the video. They have sent me this robotic vacuum cleaner that I just cannot wait to unbox with you. First thing is the quick start guide that is so easy to follow, a user manual that comes in 6 different languages, an adapter cable, the remote control, and a couple of AAA batteries. The robot itself that has really cool functions, a cleaning brush, and I just cannot wait to show you the amazing functions that come with this robot. It has some side brushes and some level adjustable tires that help the robot glide over obstacles and better clean your home because it is able to have direct contact with the ground. Please take your time to remove all of the packaging, blocking the vents of the robot so that it is able to absorb air as it cleans your home. It also comes with a replacement filter and the charging station, and also a couple of replacement side brushes, and that's all that she wrote. Alright, so to assemble this, it already comes assembled, and all you have to do is ensure that your charging station is connected and aligned 90 degrees to the wall. Press on the power button till it turns on. One of the cool functions that it has is that you can control the direction in which the vacuum is going using the different navigation keys. You can also choose to spot clean, edge clean, suction up or down, choose to direct the robot back to the charging station, clean the room, and pause and continue playing. This is also a smart robot cleaner, so you can connect this to your phone and check on the progress so far. And if you want to turn it off, just long press on the power button and it's off as well. Alright, so to empty the dust chamber, all you have to do is press down on the lever at the back of the machine. You can also choose to take out the dirt just from the slot that you see on your screen, or you can choose to press all the way down on the lever and give it a very good scrub down with the cleaning brush that it also comes with. Alright you guys, the details to purchasing your own Vactidy will be in the description box below. Please do also check it out and patronize them. Use my promo code to qualify for discounts as well. It is so worth it. Alright you guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video. Good morning beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tola. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please do also hit the subscribe button and join the family. We post different kind of content, but today it's a vlog. So yesterday night, as I was tucking my first son into bed, he reminded me of something we used to do, a fun thing we used to do in South Africa, and that was we used to snack a lot on rice cakes. If you don't know what rice cakes is, I'm on my way now to Aldi to get it, but it's this, I don't know, it's like a circular, it looks like a disc and it's white. So we put peanut butter and syrup on it, and that's what we like to snack on, because back then when he was growing, I didn't used to like to give him a lot of sweet things. So that was one of the things that we used to eat together. I'm going to look for it today. So I think I saw it in Aldi the other day, and I'm on my way there to try to find it now. So you guys, I hope you enjoy the vlog today. I will see you in the course of the vlog. I will let you know if I find it. In fact, I think I'm going to film in Aldi today. I am going to try to film in Aldi and try to find this rice cake, because lately my son has been remembering South Africa and I think he misses it. I think he misses it a lot. So here's one thing that we're going to do today to reminisce and remember our time back there. Alright you guys, I'm almost there, so I'll let you know. I think it's a good time to shop in the morning, like early morning in Aldi, like after school runs. It will be a good idea because it's very scanty, it looks very sparse. But anyways, I'm almost at the snack aisle. Yes. This ones have spice on them. This one says sweet chili flavored. I'm looking for the plain one. Salt. Who told you to put vinegar in this thing, for God's sake? Don't they have the plain ones? Salt and vinegar. caramel flavored. Hi. Hold on. This one says what? Corn flakes, corn cakes. Well, they don't seem to have anything on them, so I think this is the one. I think this is it. Well, it's brown, but I don't mind. I don't mind. Alright, so we found it. Now I need to get syrup. It's a really cool thing to have. Okay, so I know my children are older than this. Like, so it says 6 months, but they snack a lot, and this would be a fun way to actually serve up their snacks. I can even use it for eba and soup and things like that. Honestly, I'm going to come back for this, and it's $4.49. It's really nice. So there's something I do whenever I come to a store and I don't intend on buying a lot of things. I don't take a basket, because in my head I'm like, you only came for a few things and I'm going to stick to that. So where's the syrup? Oh yeah. So we have both items now. I'm just going to pay and go before any other thing enters my eye. So I don't know if this trick works for everybody, but this is how I tell myself and control my spending. I don't take a basket if I'm only picking up a few things. And it works, it actually helps. Alright, so this is how we're going to go, and I didn't really care. I forgot to bring my bag along when I was dropping off my boy. But anyway, you guys, I will see you when I get home. So we didn't try out the rice cakes that particular day. We waited till Sunday. Well, I kind of forgot. So anyway, this is, I think, a couple of days later. This was Sunday, and we're just come back from church and we were just craving a snack. So I'm just trying to put together the rice cakes here. So I'm putting the peanut butter on top, then I'm just going to do a couple more like that, and then I'm going to go in with a couple of drizzles of the syrup. You can also use honey, it will also work. It will taste basically almost the same. I think it's also the healthier version of that as well. So honey or syrup, either one will work. Anyway, so this is the ample portion of syrup I'm going to put on it, and then I'm just going to cover it with another plain one, and that is it. You're ready to eat. You're ready to start enjoying this really delicious snack. So I had 2 of this, you know. I think I had 1.5. I can't remember, but you guys, it was so good. I mean, you guys should really try it out. It can be addictive. So disclaimer, warning, it's that good. You guys, if you have any particular combination for food or snacks and you have mastered it, please share it in the comment section. I'm always looking to try out something new. Please share it. It feels very nostalgic right now. So who's trying this? It's really nice. It's really good. We just came back from church and we're craving a snack, so I decided to make this. That is my Lady Dior bag. Remember that from my unboxing. The link to the bag will be in the description box, so please do well to check it out. Alright, so this was my outfit for that particular Sunday. We just got back from church, and yes, this is my Lady Dior bag from my take-ups unboxing. And yes, we finished the entire thing. We finished it. It really doesn't last. It goes by really quickly. Anyways, you guys, who's trying this with me? So this was a Sunday, like I said before, and there was no strength at all to make any proper food. So chips it was. I usually just dunk this into the air fryer I'll let it go while I sit down and chill with the family, or I'm washing plates, or I'm folding laundry. There's just something going on in the background. But then again, I just don't know who swore for mothers. I mean, I don't know if it's just me, but usually my food is cold by the time I'm eating it. I'm usually the last person to pick my food and eat. I don't know why I said that, but I can't be the only one. Also, because it's a school night, I also take time to take the boys through their homework and just try to do something educational while they have their tablets and I eat at the same time. So it's like multitasking really. But anyway, you guys, passports that I applied for since December 9th, it just came today. I'll see all my stickers. It has finally arrived. Looks different. We thank the Lord. So this is the 34-page one, and it took almost 2 months to get this passport. Waiting 2 months for a reprint of passports. It is well, you guys. Queuing outside in the cold for 2 hours before they opened the door. I hope they start operating according to appointments. I just hope things are a lot different, and that building needs a total overhauling. Anyways, you guys, so on the collection slip they said I will get it by the 7th of February. So today is the 3rd of February, so let's just say it came before the time that they said it would come. But you guys, waiting 2 months for a reprint of passport. Reprint, so I didn't change name, I didn't alter anything. This is just a reprint. Like my passport expired, I wanted to renew it. We thank the Lord, passports have arrived.